Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a sunset on Procreate. So let's get started. So the first thing, when you come on Procreate, you're going to touch the plus sign in the right corner, and I choose screen size. That's and then you go inside at screen size. Then you're going to choose color. Okay, so the first you go on. The brush you need is round brush. You find round brush on painting. Then you're gonna choose a color. We start up with making yellow. This, just making a line, yellow. Then you take an orange color, and then you take a red color. So how you find your colors, you take on the circle right here, and then you can choose the colors you want. Then you need pink. And then you need purple. Just like this. Then you go on the magic wand in the upper left corner and go on Gaussian blur. I think I pronounced it right. And then you just choose. I think I wanted to have it like. But first you can blend it. This. Then you touch the finger. Yeah. And then you just blur it. This. How much blur you want. You can go on painting. Just normal. This. And then you go on Gaussian blur. Then you can like this. Then when you're finished with that, you go on the pencil again, and then down to elements, and on clouds I'm going to choose white clouds. You can make as many clouds as you want. I'm just making some few. This. Like this. Yeah. And then wait. Then you can go on. And then you go down to luminance. And then go on flare. Then you just make one in the center. If you just want to leave it like this, you can do it. But if you want to have more like sunlight things, then you just pick a new layer, like the two sheets up on each other, and then you go on layers, and then you make another flare on top of it. Then you go on the arrow and do it sideways, or you can make it in the middle. I'm making it sideways first. And then you take a new layer and make another layer, luminance thing, flare. Do it like this. There you have a sunset. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like If you like it, subscribe and turn that post notification so you're notified whenever I post something. Bye!